Hi, welcome to today's video. Today, I have Sophia with me, and we are going to do a fun art project, aren't we, Sophia? Can you tell everybody what we are making today?
We're going to make ladybug rocks.
We are. So we are going to make a rock look like a bug, and it's going to be a ladybug, isn't it?
Yep.
And I want you to help tell everybody where are we going to put our rocks?
In the garden.
We are. We're going to get these rocks ready and go put them in the garden, aren't we? Mm-hmm. Okay, so today I am going to be providing aided language input to show you how you can show and tell words to teach AAC to your child or your student on their AAC system using the Word Power 60 basic vocabulary from Satillo. I am using it on the iPad, so it's the Touch Chat app. And you may have a different AAC system that you're using with your student or child at home, and that's okay because most of the words I'm going to be modeling are core vocabulary words, and those go across systems, so they may look a little bit different on your system, but it's still essentially the same concept. Okay, so let's get ready to go and get started, shall we? All right, so I'm wondering what we should do first for our project for our ladybugs. How about I'm going to go to our art page here under groups, and let's paint the red wings, shall we?
Yep.
All right, so we are going to get our paintbrushes.
Paintbrush.
We're going to put it in the red. I'm going to make the wings. Let's see. I need to figure out which area I want to be my head of my ladybug. Maybe your small area up there at the top. That's little can be the head, and then these two big parts can be the wings.
Yep.
Alright. So we'll do that.
Here I'm just making a line so that I make sure I'm doing it right.
I really like that idea. I'll go back to my home page so I know what else to like. I like that idea. Alright. So how many wings does a ladybug have?
2.
2. That's right. So we should make 2 red wings on our rocks. These are going to look awesome in our gardens, aren't they?
They're starting to look like real butterflies. I mean ladybugs.
Well, butterflies have wings too. Alright. Okay, so now, how about, oops, you were right, you need red all the way across the top here. So now, we should add the black part, shouldn't we?
Something knocked over my black
okay.
paintbrush and it was in the paint, so then it got some black.
It's okay, it'll wash off. Alright, now let's make the body of our ladybug. And what color is the body of it?
Black.
You're right.
Black.
It's black.
So get started. I'm going to paint its head.
You're going to paint the head first?
And then I'm going to make the small line between the wings.
Which will be the body part, won't it?
Body.
Alright, I'll do like you and I'll make the head first.
These are turning out great.
Okay. I've made my head. So now I'm going to go to my body.
There we go.
Oh, you are fast! Oh my gosh!
Fast.
You're so fast. You're making me look like a slowpoke.
Slow.
I like to paint fast so that I get it done quicker.
Yeah, you're also more artistic than I am.
Because I craft all the time up in my room.
You do. You know what you're doing, don't you? Okay, well, how about you tell me what you want to do next for our ladybug craft?
Eyes.
Oh. So let's go
Get your
back
smallest
to our
paintbrush.
body.
Smallest paintbrush.
We're going to make eyes. What color do we need for the eyes?
White.
We need white first, don't we? Okay.
You just make a little loop.
Oh, the little loop? That's right. Or we can go to groups and shapes, and we're going to make it look like a
Circle.
circle for the eyes, aren't we?
I'm doing a little loop like this, and then there's a little black part.
Oh, I see. So you're making it
Oval.
more oval shaped.
Yep.
And then we can put the black circle on top of the big
I
white
think I got a
oval.
little bit of some black in my white. Yep, I did. Oops.
Well, if that happens, what
What?
should we do?
It's okay. I don't care about it. It's fine.
That, or you could just use your paper towel and wipe it off, couldn't we?
No, like it's in the paint.
Oh, gotcha. We can just go around it then, right? Go
Go.
around it. Alright, well, should we let the white dry a little bit before we put on
Put.
the black for the eyes? Maybe we can
Put.
put in all
All.
of our black dots for the wings.
Yes.
Okay. Let's do it. So the dots look like what shape?
They look like circles.
Mm-hmm.
Circle.
Tons of little, almost polka dots, aren't they?
Yep, they look like polka
wings.
dot bugs. Bees don't.
No, bees are different. You're right.
Cause they got white and black. They're kind of like ladybugs because they got black and yellow. Cause ladybugs have black too.
Have.
They have.
But they're
black.
striped. But cause ladybugs are polka dot and they're striped.
You're right.
So it's kind of so they're kind of a perfect match.
Alright. Do you have
Oh.
all the dots that you want?
Nope, I'm not done on the others.
No.
And I'm done. Ah, man, you got done before me.
That's right. I was quicker than you.
But I'm
Alright.
still the best artist.
Yes, you are.
Well, you are too.
By a long shot. Oh, well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright. I'm not sure if our white is dry enough yet. Mine definitely is not. Is yours?
Nope. Mine's done though.
Yours is done. You don't want to add in
Put.
the black? Oh, because you looped it from the beginning. That's
Yeah.
right. I did not. My eyes are kind of drooping because I put too much, but that's alright.
But I'm
Okay.
done.
You are. So we are going to let these, I'm actually going to go back and go to adjectives. We're going to let
Dry.
them dry. And then we can go put them
In.
in our garden, can't we?
You
They're
still
gonna be
need
little
to do
ladybugs.
one more thing on yours when it's dry.
I do, once it dries. Alright, well thanks for watching and joining us, and hopefully you have fun crafting and doing art projects at home as well. Please subscribe and comment below.